The Village Farm Boy.
My name is Maureen, the Village Farm Girl.
And you are on the Village Farmers 237 YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to be telling you how you can just start any type of farming. Like if you want to get into agriculture, I don't know how to start. You don't know where to start, like you've been thinking. See, follow this video to the end because we are going to just tell you some tips, what you need to get started. And the Village Farm Girl is going to go first.
Number one, if you want to get a farm, if you're interested in agriculture and you want to start farming, I will advise you to buy a piece of land, or you can go with a leasing option. A lot of people are running away from leasing farmland because they think that it's expensive, but I'll tell you today that it's not. With 20,000 francs CFA, you're able to lease about 1 hectare of land. We have a lot of farmland here, and if you have difficulty leasing a land, you can contact us, UFA Agro Research Center, and we will be right here to assist you.
And number two is you need to decide on which kind of farming you want to start. Do you want to start with animal farming or crops farming? Okay, so I think at this point it will depend on your passion, what you want to do, where you find yourself, and how you want to do it. If you're someone who is interested in animals, then of course you can start any kind of animal farm, okay, depending on what you have around you. And of course, if you're also interested in crops, then you can go in for crop farming. So put this in mind and always make this decision at this point.
And number three, you need capital. What do you have to do with money? You need money to pay farm workers, or if you have the time, you should be there every day from morning to evening. When I talk of every day, I mean every day, because there is no business farming inclusive without your presence. So you need a lot of money to hire people to work on your farm. But mind you, you need to be visiting this farm at least once a week, because trust me, if not, all your products will go in vain.
Right. And then the fourth point, or number four, is you have to now gather some knowledge. You need to learn about the farming that you are already into at this point in time. Okay, so go online. There are just so many materials that you can read. You can get consultants, and you can just go to seminars or attend some kind of official school to learn about the farming type. But most of all, the most important thing at this point is you need to also get the experience. Like you can learn while doing, okay? Sure. And if you are into fish farming, you can always come to UFA Agro Research Center. We are based in Bodaberi, Douala, and we are going to take you through fish farming because that's what we are into. Okay, so contact the numbers on the screen, send us a WhatsApp, we will be there for you. And
please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you should be the first to be notified when we upload a
of course
video.
Yes,
remember, I am the Village Farm Girl, he is the Village Farm Boy, and we are here to make farming sexy.
Yeah. So we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Subscribe right down here, and you can drop us a comment if you know, if you have any questions. We'll be here to respond to you.
Or if you have any topic you want us to discuss, drop it in the comment section.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Mother, look at the floor back.